Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about how to clone an element using jQuery. So jQuery has a function called clone, just this, that makes a copy of an element. And for this exercise, that it wants us to clone target5 element and append it to your left wall. So when we append it to, we just kind of shifted it, the element to, like we can see here, 2 will shift appended to 2. But now we're going to make a new one and then move that new clone to that left wall. So we could do that just by just doing it. So we do the dollar sign, parentheses, quotations, hashtag target 5 dot clone. And then with this, we do append to the left wall hashtag ID. Hashtag left wall. And we now see it was still there. So it just makes a clone and that clone gets appended to there. So this is a way to do it where we get a new element to that. And it also made a point that we're doing a function and then a function. So this is known as function chaining, and it could be done. It's pretty convenient. And you can save lines of code by doing it this way. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.